La Mesa Eco Park was opened in 2005 under a tripartite agreement among MWSS, Quezon City LGU, and ABS-CBN Foundation. This is formerly known as the La Mesa Eco Park Resort Zone until it was brought back to the management of MWSS earlier this year, February 2024, who made the decision to award the stewardship to Manila Water Company, and through its Manila Water Foundation, we are currently administering the management and operations of the La Mesa Eco Park. Sa pagbubukas ng La Mesa Eco Park, lalo na sa first phase nito, maraming mga facilities at activities ang may enjoy ng ating mga kababayan. Nandyan ang Eco Viewing Deck, Eco Lodges, Nipa Huts, at marami pang iba. Sa mga activities, meron tayong 4 team building, rappelling, wall climbing, airsoft, archery tag, at target shooting. Sa pamamagitan naman ng mga environmental activities, meron tayong guided bird watching, weeding of unwarranted forest species, at tree nurturing activities.
Kaya sa mga kapuso nating on the go, tutukan nyo ang live stream ng ating programa sa official accounts ng GMA Network, pati na rin sa YouTube at Facebook. At mag-comment din kayo sa ating mga kwentong amazing.